Prescription drug costs can add up extremely quickly, but with a few smart strategies, you might be able to lower your out-of-pocket expenses. One way to save money is to check if your medications are available in generic form. Generics have the same active ingredients as brand name drugs, but cost much less. Consider reviewing your Part D formulary annually. Drug plans update their formularies each year, so comparing your options regularly can ensure that you have the best coverage and may even help you save some money. If your medications are expensive, ask your doctor about lower cost alternatives or potential discounts available through manufacturer programs. Many pharmaceutical companies offer savings and programs that can reduce the price of these medications. Using mail order services can also help, especially for maintenance drugs that you take on a regular basis. These services often offer a 90-day supply at a lower cost than your monthly refills at a local pharmacy. Small adjustments like these may add up to big savings on your prescription drugs. Hopefully you found this video series helpful. We're really grateful that you guys joined us. Make sure that you like and subscribe to catch future videos down the road. Have a great day.